Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to enable app notification badges in the app library on iPhone running iOS version 14.0.1. So this is my iPhone device and I have iOS version 14.0.1 installed on this. So let me show you first. So let me open my settings app and then let me tap on this general and then let me tap on this about. And you can see guys, here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.0.1 installed on this iPhone XR. So let me go back. Let me close the settings app. So let's start. So guys, you can see that I am at my home screen and I have this phone app, and you can see this notification badge. And also if I go to other apps, I have this WhatsApp, and you can see this notification badge over here. So you might see this notification badge on some other apps you have. And if I go to the app library, you can see I don't have any notification badge on the phone app and also the WhatsApp. So how we can enable app notification badges in the app library, I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So what you need to do, you have to open your settings app. So you can open your settings app from this app library also. From this utilities categories, you can see I have this settings app, and also you can go back to your home screen and find your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys, it's opened, and after that you have to scroll down to this home screen option and then tap on it to open it. So let me tap on this home screen, and I have this home screen opened. And after that guys, you have to go to this notification badges section, and here we have this option show in app library. You can see currently I have this option disabled. So what you need to do, you have to turn on this toggle next to this show in app library. So just tap on this toggle and move this slider to the right. Okay, so I'm tapping on this and you can see it's now turned on. After that you can close your settings app. So let me close that. So let me go to my app library. So let me swipe all the way to the left, and I have this app library screen opened, and you can see I have this notification badges showing over here. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily enable app notification badges in the app library on iPhone running iOS version 14.0.1. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.